This video course was made to create an awareness on procrastination and to educate people on how it can be used in life, how it develops in the mind, and the reasons people have it. When it comes to the science and research behind procrastination, the mind proves to be a wonderful thing. It is able to create more energy when it undergoes stress and pressure. Using this ability can help you to advance in your workplace and create a new kind of balance in your life. When going through this video course, it is important to write down important information which can help you to work better and more efficiently. Everyone is different, and they will use whatever technique is better for them. This video course has discussed a wide range of techniques to help you in controlling and using procrastination in your life. Remember to be careful in using it when dealing with your workload. Waiting to do things at the last minute has benefits, but it can also cause a person to become overwhelmed. I hope that you have enjoyed this video course and benefit from it immensely.